everyone, welcome to my channel, Whitest Panther. Just wanted to give you an update on one of the previous stories I did regarding J.R. Simplot's genetically modified potato, known as the Inate potato. And for those of you that don't know, there was some research done in 1995 that involved genetically modified potatoes. Of course, that's a bit different than J.R. Simplot's potatoes. And the research was done by Potata in 1995, and what he did is he took genetically modified potatoes, he gave it to one group of rats, and then he took organic potatoes, gave it to another set of rats, and in the third group he took organic potato sprayed with pesticides, and the only mice that got sick were the mice eating the genetically modified potato, so it wasn't the pesticides that were causing the problems. It was the process of genetic engineering itself. And in these mice that were eating the genetically modified potato, there was precancerous cell growth. They had stunted growth. They had smaller brains, livers, testicles. They had partial atrophy of the liver, and their immune system was damaged. And the feeding study was 10 days. So I don't believe that these genetically modified potatoes are safe, like I mentioned in my previous videos. And I wrote Health Canada because I wanted to get the safety assessment they did on the Inate potato, but they wouldn't give me the information. And what they say is that the assessment of the Simplot Inate potatoes that was conducted by Health Canada was based on proprietary information provided by the petitioner, J.R. Simplot Company, in confidence. And by policy, Health Canada publishes on their website a technical document that summarizes in detail the types of data that were assessed by Health Canada scientists to determine the safety of the assessed food product, allowing for the sale of that food product in Canada. However, as per the Access of Information Act, any data that is considered to be confidential business information cannot be disclosed by Health Canada to the public. As such, the department cannot share the data itself, as it is considered confidential business information by the petitioner. And Health Canada, they say they endeavor to be as transparent as permitted by the law in our communications with the public regarding the safety assessment of GM foods. And the technical document for Simplot Inate potatoes is currently being developed and will be publicly available on the Health Canada webpage for approved novel foods. And I'll provide the link for you guys below. And I'll give you an update when they add it to their website. And I don't think that this is a very good procedure for approving genetically modified foods. I think that they should give all the safety information to the public, and I want to know what testing they did. Did they do an animal feed study like Potata did? And what were the effects on the mice? And did they look at the effect on humans? And like I said in the previous video, that these modified genes in the plants could affect our genes in some way. And I think that this confidential business information is kind of silly, and I think that they should give us the information. And how could we trust them? It's not very transparent like they say they want to be. And I wish independent scientists would do a study on these Inate potatoes as well before they're released to the public. And I don't think I'll be eating them. And just let me know what you all think of the genetically modified potatoes. And if you're going to eat them, thanks for watching, everyone. Take care. Bye.